Are you trying to stay in shape but are really needing to give your wrists a break? I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the Lifeswell push-up bars. You have to love these handles. So ergonomically shaped. It has texture and cushion, so it's going to give you a good grip. The base is wide and has also amazing grip. So you're really going to give yourself that stable support that won't slip. These are perfect for any workouts that you're going to be putting a lot of pressure on your wrists, like push-ups, mountain climbers. They're going to help you to be able to keep on going. They are good going from any direction, even if you're doing dips, anything that is going to put too much weight on your wrists. They're also great for stretching to give you that extra reach. I feel like it gives my arms a better recovery by giving that extra distance from child pose to cobra. And whether you're doing side raises or stretching, doing yoga, anything, you can take it on the go with you anywhere. Even if the ground is a little uneven, these are going to keep you stable and keep on moving without overly straining your body. And that's my point of view.